This Evergreen Baby Lomandra has been growing here for almost a decade now. It was part of our original wet feet trial where we were excessively irrigating the area. Most of the Lomandras have now died, but this one just keeps going. While other Lomandras around it died of Phytophthora and possibly other root rot diseases, this one did not miss a beat. Along with Shara Lomandra, both of them were our real stars in the wet feet for smaller Lomandras. But Evergreen Baby Lomandra is the real baby, great for a line of sight, but so many other uses for borders, etc. It stays really green, evergreen all year. In poor, low nutrient soils, Evergreen Baby Lomandra has a beautiful natural lime colour. Simply fertilise for a green look. In regular soils, it's green.
Then when I want lime, I'll just add more lime to the soil to make it more alkaline. There you go, it rhymes. Next season, after doing that, we'll have Everlime Baby Lomandra. You know this no-fuss Evergreen Baby Lomandra handles periodic wet feet, drought, heavy frost, humidity, heavy clay, free draining soils, everywhere.
So whether you fertilise it and keep it green, or have it in a normal soil and keep it green, or you have it as a poor soil roadside plant and it stays that beautiful lime colour, you're going to get a fantastic plant.